Alright. It's video 2. I'm gonna do a 5-minute makeup tutorial in 5 minutes. Video will be 5-minute long. I'll see to it that it is 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, hair up. Good, is your hair up? Awesome. We're gonna moisturize. Cool, then you're gonna prime. Sweet, now you move on to foundation. Okay, now move on to powder. Alright, while that's cooking, we're gonna do brows. Okay, then you're gonna brush all this away. Alright, then we're gonna do eyes. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna use Berry Mousse as a transition shade. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Crepes to deepen it a bit more. And then I'm gonna take Chocolat to deepen it a bit more. Okay, and then we're gonna cut the lid. I'm going to cover the lid in puffs. Okay, and then on the outer corner, I'm just gonna blend it in with the other eyeshadow. Okay, now we're just gonna clean it up. And then we're gonna do the under eyes. I'm gonna put the green shade underneath the eye. Now we're gonna do some eyeliner. Okay. And now we're gonna do some false lashes. Now we're gonna do the bottom lashes and the rest of the face. I'm gonna use my Nude by Nature palette. Now we're gonna highlight. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. And then I think we'll also use it on cheekbones. And we're gonna mix it in with some of the white strobe. Then we're gonna do lips. Alright, and then I'm gonna try and match the lips to the eyeshadow. Okay. And then we're gonna do some setting spray. And I think that's it. So yeah, I think that's all. I hope you guys like the look. It's a bit different for me. I haven't done like a full glam in a long time. So I hope you liked it. I had a lot of fun. And hopefully I'll be putting out more videos soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.